How to add credit one card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. Launch your Apple Wallet. This is the default app in your device. In the case you cannot find this app in your device, you can head towards App Store, search for the app Apple Wallet and download it. Once completion of this download process, launch it. You will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner, you're going to find this plus icon. Click on that. With that, different available card options will appear. Go ahead and select the option of debit or credit card. Now click on continue. With that, you will be directed to this page where you can scan the card and update it, or also you can enter the card details manually. If you just want to scan the card and update the details, you can position your debit or credit card in the frame to scan it. With that, the card details will be updated in your Apple Wallet, or else you can click on the option of enter card details manually. Now provide your card details. First up, type in the name, then type in the card number. After you type in, click on next. In the next page, you will need to type in the expiration date and the CVV. After you provide the details, click on done. With that, your card details will be updated. So this way you can easily add credit one card to Apple Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.